Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a naan bread. That's our flour mixed with salt. That's our milk mixed with yeast. The milk is mixed with yeast. We're waiting it to you're waiting for it to mature. You add oil to your flour and then you mix it with the flour. That's after mixing it with the flour. Then you add your milk and yeast to the flour, and then from there you can start kneading it. You knead it until there is no air spaces in the flour. So you add oil to your kneaded flour, and then after you made sure your dough is okay, you cover it. We used a cling film for this one. You can cover it with a wet towel also. And let it rise for 1 hour or so that it can give you a good product out of it. Here we made a mixture of blue band plus parsley or dhania plus garlic for the topping of the naan bread. You'll get to see how we did it at the end of the video. Keep watching. So after an hour, our dough was ready. We are looking for the air spaces. We have to get them out, and then after that you cut them into pieces. You cut the dough into pieces. Now you can flatten out your bread. That is us spinning or flattening the bread. You flatten it. Don't make it too thin nor let it be a bit thick. Let it be just standard, and then now you can put on your hot pan, and then make sure you cover the pan so that the dough can rise and it can cook inside. Okay, the bread will get ready on one side, then you have to turn it so that it can cook on the other side. Once the bread is ready, you apply the mixture of the blue band plus parsley, and then wait for the other pieces to cook. After all is done, you can serve it with whatever kind of stew you want. In our case, we served it with a bean stew, and it was very sweet. Thank you for watching.